Tesla Model S Plaid delivery event is going to be taking place on June the 3rd at the Fremont Factory. Now, Elon Musk announced that he's going to hold a delivery event for the up-and-coming Model S Plaid. 2 weeks, which will place it on June the 3rd. Now, it's going to take place in the Fremont Factory in California. And customers are going to be set to receive these cars. And these cars are going to be able to get, you imagine this? Be able to get to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Take a look at this. It's just amazing. I mean, look at that interior. The interior is epic. And I don't know if they're going to come with that steering wheel. The yoke steering wheel. I don't know what the conclusion of that matter was, but I think NHTSA was fighting that. Boy, does that blue look stoic and awesome. Definitely, if I would get one of those, the blue would be my color. Awesome, folks. It's awesome that this is happening. The new Model S Plaid is going to, of course, put you back $119, basically $120,000. And that's just the now the Plaid is going to start from $149,990. Which is a massive difference from what it was prior. It's going to be much quicker. And it's going to have a range of 520 miles. Can you imagine that? This is going to be awesome. You're talking about 0 to 60 in 1.99 seconds. Top speed of 200 miles per hour. And an EV is just amazing. And you can imagine that the long range model can get up to 155 miles per hour. You're talking about that's being the top speed. It's amazing. And getting to 60 in 3.1 seconds. That's in a long range model. Now, deliveries were going to initially take place in February, but there's been some setbacks, and they had to get some things updated on the Model S. And so they had to move it back, which is understandable. Tesla had to do what it had to do to make this such an epic creation, which it is. Folks, this is just awesome news. Yes, the Tesla Model S Plaid. The event is set for June the 3rd at the Fremont Factory. So mark your calendars and keep your eyes open. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, it's A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate your time. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. We out.